Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akakadash, Rakatham to the elders and apostles wa Akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is the earthquakes in diverse places as of June 13th, 2025 on a Friday afternoon. And this is a news article from yahoo.com by Reuters, Friday 13th, 2025 at 2:04 p.m. And it reads, it says a magnitude of a 6.5 earthquake strikes Russia's Kurils region. PMC says a magnitude of a 6.5 earthquake struck Russia's island on Friday. The European Mediterranean Seismology Central EMSC says the quake was a depth of 12 kilometers, 7.46 miles. The EMSC says because at first it was first reported it was a 6.1. I guess it went up to a 6.5. It's the book of Luke 21 verse 25, and there shall be signs in the sun. That's the wrong one. Luke 21 verse 11, I meant to say. It says, great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights, great signs shall be for heaven. So we're definitely going to be seeing the increasing uptick of great earthquakes in diverse places. And this is a prime example. This is a prime example of great earthquakes in diverse places. And this was a 6.5 magnitude of an earthquake over there in the Russian islands as of Friday, June the 13th, 2024. Never mind with that. Salaki for that momentary pause. Yep, you had this is from the latest earthquake from earthquake.usgs.gov. And then you had a 4.2 earthquake recorded 50 kilometers east of Port Wharf, Alaska. 3.1 earthquake 15 kilometers east of northeast of Feller, Alaska. 6.1 earthquake in the Kurils Islands. 2.5 earthquake recorded. 2.5 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers south and southeast of Funny River, Alaska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 63 kilometers north of Petersville, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake occurred 64 kilometers northeast of Ugaski of Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers north and northwest of Chatham, Alpine, Alaska. 4.7 earthquake recorded 96 kilometers southwest of Harmony, Montana. 2.6 earthquake recorded. 110 kilometers northwest of Arctic Village, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 24 kilometers south of southwest of Petersville, Alaska. 4.1 earthquake 153 kilometers southeast of Alaska, Russia. 2.9 earthquake recorded 5 kilometers south of southwest of Danicola, Colorado. 5.0 earthquake recorded 25 kilometers north of Kandrin, Papua New Guinea. 2.6 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers northwest of Bridgeport, California. 2.5 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers south of Huanuca, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded 132 kilometers south of southwest of Hy-Vee Field, Tonga. 5.0 earthquake 46 kilometers west to southwest of Cerriquilla, Philippines. 2.9 earthquake recorded 42 kilometers north of Roselle, Puerto Rico. 4.1 earthquake recorded 51 kilometers west to northwest of Petrel, California. 5.3 earthquake recorded 223 kilometers south of Natola, Nutul, Wells of Frontier. 4.5 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers south southwest of Yotu, Kadekio, Japan, if I pronounced that right. And you had a 2.6 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers southwest of Jao, New Mexico. Once again, this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and for precise great signs shall be in heaven. Right, so we definitely going to be seeing an increasing uptick of great earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what we're seeing. So with that, hopefully this quick sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of June 13, 2025 on Friday. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Kakradash, and the Heavenly Father, which you name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Hashem, and name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew. Last Wakadash Latam. And I said, Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Aqua. Until next time, I would say Shalom.